Sea cucumbers are also known as sea slugs because they resemble gigantic caterpillars or oversized worms with a soft, tube-like appearance. Of course, you might wonder who would eat one of these things at first appearance, but sea cucumbers are actually a delicacy in many parts of the world. Sea cucumbers have long been utilized in traditional medicine for their alleged health benefits, not only because they are delicious to many people. As we all strive to live a healthier lifestyle, it's becoming increasingly crucial to keep your meal routine from becoming monotonous, which includes adding diversity to your diet. Sea cucumbers are an excellent choice for this function, especially to the following 11 health benefits. Low in fat. Sea cucumbers are high in vitamins and minerals that might benefit your body, but they are also low in fat. This makes them an excellent supplement to any diet plan, and the vitamins they supply are all the more valuable as a result. Rich in calcium. Calcium, a vital component of bone health, also aids in the normal functioning of your heart and muscles. In fact, some study has revealed that calcium may help to avoid disease. Calcium has been shown to improve health in a variety of ways, which makes the sea cucumber even more enticing. Magnesium. When it comes to bone health, this mineral is crucial. It may seem counterintuitive that a creature with no bones contains a mineral that can aid in the formation of strong bones, yet it's real. Sea cucumbers are high in magnesium, making them beneficial to bone health. Magnesium also helps with anxiety. A source of protein. Sea cucumber, while not as filling as a large steak, is a good source of protein, which means it can assist your body manufacture natural energy. Sea cucumbers, unlike red meat, do not have the detrimental health impacts that red meat has. Sea cucumber is a complete meal in and of itself because of its high energy content. Antioxidants. A couple of the vitamins and minerals mentioned here are antioxidants. Antioxidants are a proven immune booster because they help your body fight free radicals, which can cause a range of health problems. Antioxidants, which are most commonly associated with dark-colored berries, may be found in a surprising number of foods, including sea cucumbers. Proper liver function. A group of lab rats was given 1 dose of sea cucumber in a study comparable to the one discussed above. The rats who ate the sea cucumber had better kidney function, less oxidative stress, and less liver damage. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a potent antioxidant that travels throughout the body and provides a variety of health advantages. This vitamin has an impact on nearly every part of your health, including heart and kidney function, brain health, healthy skin, lungs, and vision, as well as giving your immune system a boost. Vitamin B2. Another important energy source in your body is vitamin B2, often known as riboflavin. Vitamin B2 aids in the breakdown and conversion of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins into energy. It's also important for the body's oxygen absorption. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, like vitamin B2, is a potent antioxidant with numerous health benefits. It may aid in the maintenance of good cardiac function as well as the reduction of arthritis-related joint pain and stiffness. Vitamin B3 has also been demonstrated to aid cognitive wellness. Cardiovascular health. Rats with heart disorders such as high blood pressure were given extract from a sea cucumber in many trials, to see how useful it was in heart health issues. The rats who ate the sea cucumber extract did, in fact, show measurable improvements, such as lower cholesterol and triglycerides. It's a promising sign for those who hold the sea cucumber in high esteem as a heart health guardian. Chondroitin sulfate. Sea cucumbers are high in chondroitin, a substance that most people have never heard of. It is found in the tissues between bone and cartilage in humans, making it a key component of the skeletal skeleton. Conclusions. For more than a century, Sea cucumbers have been utilized in traditional Chinese medicine, and they've even been used in oils, lotions, and other cosmetics. At first, they may appear unusual, especially if you've never seen one before. Don't miss out on this nutrient-dense delicacy if you get the chance. You'll be doing a huge favor for your general health. You could find that you enjoy them so much that you make them a regular part of your diet. Trying new meals is beneficial for a variety of reasons, the most important of which may be your health. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.